I'm an Amsterdam local and this is how I'd spend 24 hours if it's your first time. You're probably starting off at Central Station, but don't make the mistake of instantly walking onto the Rokin, which is extremely touristy and busy. Instead, immediately walk to the Jordaan neighborhood. Jordaan is one of the most beautiful parts of the city. It feels way more local and less busy, and there are a lot of great places to eat and have coffee. From here, it's only a short walk to the Negen Straatjes. This part is probably the best for doing shopping. You find many amazing independent stores here, as well as great restaurants. Next up, you want to go to Museumplein. Here you'll find the Stedelijk Museum, the Van Gogh Museum, Moco Museum, and the Rijksmuseum. If you only have one day, I'd recommend choosing one of these museums to visit and book your tickets in advance. Nearby, you'll find the Albert Kuip Market, which is the biggest market in Amsterdam and the best place to get souvenirs and try Dutch food. Lastly, I really recommend doing a canal cruise. I recommend the Bubbles and Bites Canal Cruise by Flagship Amsterdam, which includes unlimited Prosecco. I think it's really worth it doing a canal cruise because in my opinion the city is the most beautiful from the canals. Let me know how you spent 24 hours in the city, and for now, doei doei!